The best beauty solutions based on your facial features. 3 tips. If you are hoping to look your best, choosing the right skin products and hair options can have a big impact. First, determine what your skin and hair type is. Then, pick out which products will work. You can take a look at a magazine if you need help. Here are some beauty solutions based on your facial features. Here is the first tip for selecting the best beauty solution based on your facial features. When choosing foundation, the goal is to find the right amount of coverage while maintaining your natural beauty. If you have dry skin, opt for a more hydrating foundation and one with adequate coverage. This will help you cover up any dry spots. If your skin is on the oily side, choose one with more of a matte finish to remove some of the excess moisture. Either way, you can finish things off with a bronzer and some shimmer to accent your cheekbones and give your face some more structure. You want to make sure you find the right match for your skin tone too, so you don't have any orange streaks. Here is the second tip for selecting the best beauty solution based on your facial features. As far as selecting an eyeshadow, go with one that complements your eye color. Green eyes look best with a brown, neutral tint or with gold or bronze on top. You can add depth by applying both. For a night out, try purple and green with a dark brown eyeliner and black mascara. Blue eyes look best with brown, taupe, and purple, while brown or hazel eyes can look great with just about any color. You can opt for a darker shade for a night or green, gold, bronze, blue, or purple. Finish the look with a black mascara and liner to bring out your natural beauty. You might even opt for false lashes that are easy to apply and remove. You'll want to find the right ones so they'll stay put all night. Here is the third tip for selecting the best beauty solution based on your facial features. As far as choosing the right haircut, rectangle shapes look best with layered cuts, waves, or curls. An oval face shape looks great with bobs, long waves, or curls. And a square shape looks great with a side part or with bangs. The goal, again, is to complement your face structure. Experiment to find the right hairstyle. You can take a look at photos online to figure out the most flattering looks for your shape, or reach out to your hairdresser to help you decide what would be best if you are still stuck. These are just a few tips to picking your best beauty solutions. You can also take a look online at makeup palettes and moisturizers that will work, as well as outfits and accessories that would flatter your facial features. Or ask a friend you trust to help you out. When it all comes together, you will have the perfect look.
To learn more, feel free to sign up for our free virtual open call. On this free virtual open call, you will learn about the recent changes in the modeling and acting industries that is opening the doors for more job opportunities. You will learn cutting-edge ways to gain access to a steady stream of high-paying modeling and acting jobs in your local area. You will also learn how to receive continued online training workshops that will prepare you for that big audition or casting call. Click the link below to register now.